Introducing the HAPPRUN 4K Home Projector JQ820 offers a cinematic viewing experience with 4K support, AI Smart Adjustment, up to 300-inch projection, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and built-in hi-fi audio for immersive home entertainment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the HAPPRUN JQ820 projector, power cable, remote control, HDMI cable, AV cable, user manual, product overview. Remote control button function. How to use projector installation, ceiling mount, starting projector. How to connect. Press of the remote control, enter the signal source menu, use the arrow keys and the OK to select the signal source. Open setting, select Wi-Fi setting, and connect the projector to your home network. Go back, open OS Cast, connect your iPhone to the same network, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select Broadcast to connect. Android mobile or iPad. Connecting to HDMI device. Connect USB drive. Connect AV video device. Connect 3.5mm audio device. Connect Bluetooth audio. Choose from 4 projection modes. Enable auto keystone correction or adjust manually. Turn on autofocus for clarity and use digital zoom to adjust the focus distance from 50 to 100. When Wi-Fi is set to on, YF is turned on and can automatically search for Wi-Fi signals, find your home network, enter the Wi-Fi password, and log in to connect. Press OK to turn on Bluetooth. Select Manual Settings, select Scan for devices down, and select your Bluetooth connection. Select Language setting. You can set the language of different countries. Click to enter Factory Reset. You can restore the system to its original state. Smart features? Delivers sharp, detailed visuals with 4K video compatibility and enhanced brightness for clear images. Provides an immersive home theater experience with vibrant colors and excellent picture clarity. Automatically adjusts focus, keystone, and screen alignment for a clear and perfectly positioned image. Provides quick setup and convenient viewing by detecting obstacles and optimizing the projection area. Creates a huge cinematic screen experience with support for up to a 300-inch projection size. Perfect for movies, gaming, presentations, and home entertainment with an immersive viewing experience. Provides faster wireless streaming and stable connections for smooth screen mirroring and device pairing. Easily connects with smartphones, speakers, headphones, and other compatible devices for flexible entertainment. Delivers clear and powerful sound with an integrated 8-watt hi-fi speaker system for an enhanced audio experience. Enjoy movies, music, and videos without needing extra speakers while maintaining rich and balanced sound quality. Supports connections with various devices through HDMI, USB, AV, and audio ports for versatile entertainment options. Works easily with laptops, TV sticks, gaming consoles, smartphones, and other multimedia devices. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your HAPPRUN 4K Home Projector JQ820. See you in the next one.